Welcome to the demo guide of the Shopify Etsy integration app by CedCommerce. In this video series, we'll walk you through the detailed process of using the Etsy integration app, beginning with installation and authentication, and extending to onboarding and setup procedures that include key aspects such as profiling, product management, and order management. Let's start with the very first step: how to install the integration from App Store. But before proceeding, you must have the following two things: a Shopify store with a few products, a shop on the Etsy marketplace. You have it. That's great. Now let's move on to the steps. Much like any other app, the installation process of our app is quite easy. To install the Etsy integration app, go to the app section of your Shopify store. In the search bar, type CedCommerce Etsy integration and press enter. You'll be directed to the App Store search page. From the search results, select CedCommerce Etsy integration by CedCommerce. The product page will display all the necessary information for sellers. Click on the Install button. You will be redirected back to the Shopify page where you'll receive a confirmation about the app's access requirements. Review the privacy policies by clicking on the anchor text if desired. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Install button in the bottom right corner. The installation process will take a few seconds, after which you'll be redirected to a new page to complete the onboarding steps for the app.